Hello and welcome back. We're going to start off by carving out our face. We're going to go ahead and prime one eye and then start building up the shadows. Keeping with the purple theme, I'm just doing a very simple purple eyeshadow. And then we're going to start on the other side, and I'm going in with black face paint and powder to top off the eye. Pouncing on some foundation, and now we're going to carve out the mouth side. I'm going to be doing a lot of back and forth here. But now we're going to start outlining with our purple paint. So I'm going in with a few different shades of purple, and I just wanted a little bit more dimension. I'm not worried about it looking patchy because the shading is going to be fixing all of that. Taking that same eyeshadow color we used on the other eye, I'm taking that and I'm just shading everywhere that's needed on the face. Next, I'm going to be applying these crystal-like pieces that I purchased at Michael's. And I am loving that crystal glass shine that this is giving off. Perfect for the border. Now I'm working on the mouth, and I'm just doing a few black lines here, and this is going to be the background for our crystals. I purchased these guys at Walmart, and they kind of would inspire this whole look around this whole amethyst crystal skull. So loving how that's coming out. I felt like the cheek area was lacking a bit, so I decided to also glue some of these guys on right here. I'm taking that same eyeshadow and shading in our bones. And now to finish off the chest area, I'm going to completely deck it out in all the crystals. Our last step is to spray paint our hair. And of course I couldn't decide on one, so I'm using a darker purple for the top, and I'm using more of a lavender color for the bottom part of the hair. And that is our amethyst crystal skull completed. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a happy and safe Halloween.